Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Today I am making baked sushi. So let's get started. Let's start off with the bottom layer. So the bottom layer of the baked sushi is the rice. And here I am using sushi rice. And this is all washed. I have 2 cups and I'm adding in 1 3/4 cups of water. 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. Let's plug that in, lid on, and cook. For the top layer, which is the yummy layer, I feel like anyway, I am using imitation crab. I have 1/2 pound of imitation crab. It is diced and chopped. And I'm adding in 1/4 cup of cream cheese. Make sure that it is room temperature. And then add in 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. And now for the mayonnaise, that is your choice what you want to use. So you can use the Japanese mayonnaise, or you can add in some sriracha sauce if you like as well with this mayonnaise. And in these, I am adding in cucumbers. And I do believe it's about 1/2 cup for the cucumbers. And I have 2 bunch of green onions. And you just want to mix that right in. And the last ingredient for this is fury cake. So what this is seaweed and roasted sesame seeds, some salt and pepper. And then let's just add this all in. Oh my god, you guys, it smells so delicious in here. I have my baking dish. It is 8" by 8". And I do want to say that my rice here is ready from the rice cooker, and the goodiness of the baked sushi is on this side. It's ready as well. But before we add in the rice in the baking dish, I'm just going to add some sugar. I have 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then you just want to add in some salt as well. And then we'll just mix all that up together. And now just add in your rice to your dish. And you just want to make a layer with that. And whatever the size of your dish is, pretty much it's just going to be half. And now let's add in our crab. And same thing, you just want to layer it nicely here. Make sure it's nice and tight, and then we'll put it in the oven. Goes in the oven for about 15 minutes. At 400 Fahrenheit. This is what it looks like fresh out of the oven. And now you just want to let it cool for a little bit, at least 30 minutes or so, and then we're going to cut into it. So I've waited for 30 minutes just to let it cool down. And now we're just going to cut into it, and I'll show you how I eat this. I think it's the most exciting part. Just cut it right in there. It will be a little bit messy. I am giving you a warning right now. And then just slowly lift it up. I did say it was messy, right? Ready? There we go. This is it. This is my take on the baked sushi. And as you can tell, it is pretty messy. But you know what? That's okay because it's all going to be in your stomach. So if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, the like button. And I'm just going to take a bite of this. Yes.